Okay, so I'm going on this trip, on this hike to the mountain over there. This is what I love about hiking, being able to go outdoors, enjoy nature, enjoy the landscape, discover new places, explore. The weather is perfect. It's about 11 degrees in Tierra del Fuego, which is summer. This is as hot as it gets here in the south of the planet. Okay, so I'm almost at the top. I have to get there to that pole, and it's the end. Almost at the top, at the summit of Cerro del Medio. Look at that. Ooh. Awesome. Let's see how the view is from over there. Hola, hello. Just went on the peak. I met some nice people. 2 guys from Argentina and 2 girls from Germany. They are on vacation. They are also like traveling for many months, which is a thing. People from Europe like traveling. They, especially young people, they come traveling to South America, to Southeast Asia for many months. They make friends, they meet new people, they talk. It's very nice. The guy from Argentina, he knew about Romania. He's been to Romania. He has friends from Romania. He also told me that there are many Romanians that work here in Ushuaia. And I was very, very surprised. I didn't know Romanians would come here and work in Argentina. Yeah, the other Argentinian guy, he offered me some mate, which is a drink they have here. It was very good. It's like a tea with herbs. Very, very good. But I had the occasion to taste it here on the Cumbre, which was a very nice touch. Okay, I'm back in Ushuaia, as you can see. Well, I'm back in the beautiful city of Ushuaia after the hike. I'm gonna go check out the city center and then I'm gonna go back to the apartment.